temperature zones of the world. Priya visit Uttar Pradesh in June this year. It was very hot there, so she wore loose cotton clothes, a hat, and carried sunglasses. She went to Mumbai in August, and it rained a lot over there. But the climate was cool as this place is close to the sea. She also went Manali in December, where was very cold. This was because Manali is located on high latitude. Factories influencing the climate of a place. The climate of any place on earth is influenced by the distance of a place from the sea, directions of winds, latitude of a place, temperature, amount of rainfalls, and latitude or distance of place from the equator. Let us study as factors in detail. Distance of a place from the sea. Places near the sea have a moderate type of climate as compared to those located in the interior. Even if they lie on the same latitude, this is because water heats and cools comparatively slower than land. When warm air over the land reaches, it is replaced by cool air from the sea. This sea breeze cools the coastal areas in summer and warms them in winter. On the other hand, places away from the sea have an extreme type of climate. Directions of wind. Wind blowing from cold region make a place cool. Similarly, wind comes from heat region such as desert make a place hot. Winds blowing from the sea causes humidity and may make a place humid. A latitude of a place. Places which are located at higher latitudes are cooler than the place located at lower latitudes. It is because the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. Distance of a place from the equator. The rays of the sun falls almost directly on the equator. Therefore, places of the equator or near it are hotter than the place that are at highest latitudes. The rays of the sun becomes more slanted as we move from the equator towards the poles. In other words, the amount of sunlight received different on different latitudes. It becomes less and less as we move towards the poles. The slanted rays of the sun travel a longer distance toward the atmosphere. The heat is spread over a larger area, thus making the place away from the equator less hot. Temperature and rainfalls. The temperature of a place and the amount of rainfalls it receives also determine the climate of a place. The temperature zones. Based on the intersites of sunlight and earth receives, it has been divided into three major temperature or heat zones: the torrid zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid zone. The torrid zone. The torrid extends from the Tropic of Cancer 23 and a half degrees Celsius north to the Tropic of Capricorn 33 and 1 by 2 degrees Celsius south. The equator passes right toward the center of the zone. The zone between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer is called North Road Zone. The zone between the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the South Road Zone. Since this zone receives strong sunlight throughout the year, it is the hottest zone on the earth. This zone receives a lot of rainfalls. Thus, the climate of this zone is hot, wet, and humid. This type of climate is known as tropical climate. The region located near the equator do not experience different seasons. However, as we move from the equator, the seasons become more distant. The Tropic of Cancer passes throughout India. With the help of Macmillan School, the temperate zone. In the northern hemisphere, the temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer 23 1 by 2 degrees Celsius north and the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degrees Celsius north. This zone is known as the North Temperate Zone. In southern hemisphere, it lies between the Tropic of Capricorn 23 1 by 2 degrees Celsius south and the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degrees Celsius north south. This zone is all known as Southern Temperate Zone. This zone lies between the torrid zone, which is the extremely hot, and the frigid zone, which is extremely cold. The meaning of temperate is mild. It means that the climate here is neither very hot nor very cold. As this zone receives the slightly slanting rays of the sun, both the summer and the winter season, it is spent in this zone. The days are longer during summers, the shorter during winters. Frigid zone. In the northern hemisphere, the frigid extremely from the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degrees Celsius north to the North Pole. 90 degrees Celsius north is called the Northern Frigid Zone. In the southern hemisphere, it extremely from the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degrees Celsius south to the South Pole. 90 degrees Celsius south is called the South Frigid Zone. As the region under the Frigid Zone receives extremely scanty rays of the sun, the intensity of heat is very less. Therefore, these regions are extremely cold. Many of the places lying in this zone are covered with snow and ice throughout the year. Thank you.